Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to tell you about the project that is called IoTeX. And IoTeX is the project working in the sphere of Internet of Things, and I think that the best explanation about what Internet of Things is, it is something that you have probably seen in these movies about future, which seemed unrealistic for you, just these movies with smart devices around us and artificial intelligence implemented in everything that is around us. For example, imagine that when I come home, my front door sees me and it recognizes me and it opens just for me. But if a robber comes to my front door and tries to break it, it also understands that it is not me. So my front door, just calls the police if the robber is trying to break it or open it. So it is just one illustration about what Internet of Things can be. And yeah, it maybe seemed really unrealistic until the mass implementation of blockchain has started. So now with the blockchain technology that is around us, that is constantly being implemented in every sphere of our lives, the concept of Internet of Things doesn't seem something unrealistic anymore. But still, the current solutions for blockchain, the current versions of it, generations of blockchain that exist now, are not suitable for it. And there are three main problems IoTeX is trying to solve in the current generations of blockchain. So what are actually the generations of blockchain? I will explain you shortly. So the first one generation of blockchain is Bitcoin and its numerous forks. So it is created just to transfer a value. So for example, I transfer you 5 bitcoins. It is just a value and we cannot transfer anything else. The second generation of blockchain is Ethereum with its smart contracts which are self-executing. So there is a programming language in which we can program this smart contract, and we also can tokenize different assets and create our tokens on the base of this blockchain. So it is the second generation of blockchain. IoTeX is offering the third generation of blockchain, and now I will name its key features and all the problems that it is solving. So IoTeX is creating a blockchain which will have what they call SPD, and it stands for scalability, privacy, and developability, and I will tell you about each of them. So let's start from developability. First of all, you need to understand that the Internet of Things concept can have a lot of different spheres where it can be implemented, a lot of different use cases. But just let's now take one of them, which is smart homes, when all of your devices at home, at kitchen, everywhere are smart. So between each of them we need to have strong connection, but still all of them are different. They have different operating system. Some of them don't have any operating system, like your microwave or your blender. So that is why they need to be connected in some way, so it will be possible for the developers of decentralized applications working in the sphere of Internet of Things make these applications really useful in a real world. So the next thing is scalability. So all the analysts say that the number of all the nodes, IoT nodes, will be growing by 20% each year. So it means that it is really an exponential growth, and by the 2022 there will be 18 billions of IoT nodes, and it is a really huge number. So that means that the blockchain on which all of these applications will be based should be really scalable, but the first and the second generations of blockchain now really lack this scalability. And the third one feature of IoTeX blockchain is its privacy and security. because when we talk about all of these smart homes, we remember scenes of all of these anti-utopic books and movies where your devices are constantly watching you and they're watching what you are doing. And maybe it's not a big brother, but of course, it seems like a real threat to your privacy and security, and that is how every user should have a control over what his personal data is shared with the network and what is not. So personally, I think that IoTeX is the best project that is working in the sphere of Internet of Things now, and of course, the Internet of Things concept itself is something that will change the world in the next several years. I guess everyone who is in tech and in blockchain understands it. So if you want to learn more about IoTeX, I will leave all the necessary links to their white paper and website in the description to this video. So thank you for watching this video. Bye!